In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare Error 521, Web server is down. If you're seeing a 521 page, it usually means Cloudflare is trying to connect to your origin server, but the server is refusing the connection. A common cause is a mismatch between Cloudflare's SSL mode and the SSL setup on your origin. Specifically, if Cloudflare is set to full strict while your server doesn't have a valid SSL certificate, the connection can be rejected, which surfaces as a 521 to visitors. Here's how to correct that setting in a safe, straightforward way. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the site that's showing the error. From the site's dashboard, go to the SSL TLS section. This is where Cloudflare controls how it encrypts traffic between Cloudflare and your origin server. On the Overview tab, look for the SSL TLS mode selector. If it's currently set to full strict, that means Cloudflare will only connect to your origin when it presents a valid, trusted SSL certificate. If your server doesn't have one, perhaps the certificate expired, is self-signed without proper trust, or hasn't been installed, your origin may refuse the handshake. Change the mode to full if your origin does have HTTPS, but the certificate isn't fully trusted by public authorities, or you're using a non-standard setup. Full still encrypts traffic between Cloudflare and your origin, but is more forgiving than strict about the certificate's trust chain. If you don't have HTTPS configured on the origin at all yet, choose Flexible. Flexible encrypts traffic between visitors and Cloudflare, while Cloudflare connects to your origin over HTTP. This can restore availability quickly while you work toward enabling proper HTTPS on the server. After selecting the appropriate mode, give Cloudflare a short moment to apply the change. Then reload your site in a fresh browser tab. If the SSL mismatch was the cause, the 521 error should clear and your pages should load normally. Keep in mind that full provides better security than flexible, and full, strict, provides the strongest security once a valid certificate is in place on the origin. If you moved away from strict to restore service, plan to install a valid certificate and return to strict when you're ready. That's it. Adjusting the SSL TLS mode in Cloudflare resolves the most common configuration issue behind Error 521. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your site back online quickly.